This video is on 2.3, solving linear equations involving fractions and decimals, classifying equations. Practice 1 and 2. Practice 1, find the least common denominator of 3/5 and 3/4. This question is asking us for the least common multiple of 4 and 5. When we look at the multiples of 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 4 times 4, 4 times 5, 4 times 6, 4 times 7, 4 times 8, 4 times 9, 4 times 10, and so on. Those are the multiples of 4. The multiples of 5 are a little easier. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and so on. And in this list, we see that the least of the common is 20. There's another multiple past that, which is 40, but the least common multiple is 20. So the LCD is 20. What this is the smallest number that when I divide by both 5 and 4, they go in evenly. But notice how 4 and 5 has a greatest common factor of 1. That's why it was just simply 5 times 4, which is 20. In number 2, you have 8 and 12. 8 and 12 both share a 4 in common for their GCF. So their least common multiple is going to be smaller than 8 times 12, which is 96. So to find the least common multiple, we take 8, we multiply it by 1, which gives us 8, and then by 2, and then by 3, and then by 4. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. When you do 12, you have 12 times 1, 12 times 2, 12 times 3, 12 times 4. And we see that the least common multiple is 24. We do have a 48 in there, and we also will get 96, but the LCD is 24. 24 is the smallest number that when I divide by 8 and 12, I get a nice even number. So the LCD is 24 of 3/8 and negative 7/12, and the LCD of 3/5 and 3/4 is 20. This concludes the video on 2.3, solving linear equations involving fractions and decimals, classifying equations, practice 1 and 2.